How to fix Discord mobile notifications. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord mobile notifications so you don't miss important messages. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, if you're only having issues with a specific server, open Discord and tap the server name at the top of the screen. Then tap Notifications and go to the Notifications settings. Make sure all messages is selected so you'll get alerts for everything. You can also customize other notification settings here to fit your needs. Next, go to the bottom right and tap your profile icon labeled you. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and find notifications under app settings. Here, check that get notifications within Discord is turned on. You can also enable or adjust the other notification options to your liking. To make sure you get notifications outside the app, go to the app notifications settings again in this section and confirm they're switched on. Finally, double check that Do Not Disturb or any focus mode isn't active on your phone. That's it. Now your Discord notifications should be working properly. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quick guides.